Hi guys, before we jump in, I just want to mention that this particular product, the price does change on it often. So be sure and check out the link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it. All right, let's jump in. Hey guys, Tyler here, and in today's video, we're taking a look at this case to cover a laptop. Now, in this video, we're going to talk a little bit about this case and help you know what you can expect when you get it. Now, this case is actually designed for a specific brand and model of laptop, so just make sure that yours will fit this case correctly. But I did want to show you a few different features on this case that I really like a lot. Now, first off, being on the bottom here, you'll notice these little slats here on the side. The actual computer uses different slats and slots like that to go ahead and cycle air. And you'll also notice this kind of great design there at the bottom that is actually kind of open there. And I like that for kind of some airflow for this case. Now, one thing I did notice about this case right here is that you do have these kind of indents here. That's typically where those feet of the laptop rest, which is really nice. And then you've got these kind of openings here where typically your ports are on that laptop. Now, I really like the case a lot. It feels really nice and high quality, made of kind of a plasticky material, but you can see it's kind of a semi-transparent material too. You can kind of see through it. And then on the top, you can actually see around the edges, you do have this kind of non-semi-transparent, and then the main area is kind of semi-transparent again. So again, a nice look to this case. I really like that a lot. Just look for the sticker that says opening side so you know which way to put it on. But overall, I've been really impressed with this case and I would highly recommend it. Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.